Hello guys, my name is Katya and in today's video I want to show you my puffer coat. That's my favorite coat that I wear in winter, but the zipper closure is out of order as you can see. There already was a problem with this zipper and it was replaced with the certified sewer, but it is very inaccurate. As you can see, this zipper was top stitched in with the seam allowances folded inside. Today I am going to replace this closure again and I will try to make it more nice and even and beautiful. First of all, I'm going to rip the seam attaching the zipper closure, and sometimes I can just tear it off. Here you can see this unpretty trace left by stitching, and this time I will try to hide this. So here is my new closure. And first I am trying if the length is okay for me. And now I am ready to unfasten the zipper closure and start with the one half of it. I put my zipper closure onto the coat's edge, right sides together, and pin them together, all along the edge of the coat. But be sure to pin it only to the front layer of your coat, not to the lining. The white thing that you can see inside of the coat is the bedding. So when everything is okay, you can stitch your half of the zipper closure to your coat edge. I'm using a special zipper foot to make it. Then I'm fastening my zipper closure with the second half of it unattached yet. And what I want to do now is to mark the lines where my quilting stitches are, because I want them to match each other from both sides of my coat. And now I can connect the second side of my zipper closure to the left side of my coat. Also right sides together and matching my markings with the quilting stitches. And again check if everything is okay. And you can stitch it the same way as we did for the right side of our coat. And then we want to attach our lining back. At first you need to turn one of your sleeves inside out and find a seam. This is the last seam that your coat saw, and it looks like a top stitching. We need to rip it up and make a hole to turn our coat right side out in the very end. When the hole is ready, we can turn our coat inside out and find places where we attached our zipper closure. Here you need to put the edge of your coat and the lining together, that will be right sides together, and pin them in place. Then you need to make a stitch just into the seam connecting your zipper closure to the coat, and do the same thing for the other side. When everything is connected, you will need to find that hole on your sleeves lining and turn your coat right side out. Don't forget to close the hole on your sleeve. Here you can see the result, and usually they make a top stitching along the zipper closure. But I don't want to do that because now it's look very nice. But if I leave it like that, the lining fabric will be jammed by the fastener when I'm using my closure. So I decided to make a hand stitching, connecting my lining to the coat in 1/4 of an inch distance from the zipper. And now my lining is connected to the coat and will never be jammed again. And there will be no trying on today. Thank you for watching. I hope I could help you with some important information. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to post every Monday. And I wish you a great week. Bye bye.